Welcome. Today we are continuing with World Wars. Question 3a. Factors that led to the defeat of the Central Powers during the First World War. The Allies had more manpower due to the large groups of supporters such as France, Britain, the USA, Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. The Allies had more financial and industrial resources. The Allies had more powerful weapons such as tanks, aircrafts, and battleships. The Allies had more powerful sea power, which was used to blockade the Central Powers. The Allies had good political leadership. Germany was let down by her allies. The entry of the USA tilted the balance in favor of the Allies. B. Peace treaties that the Allies signed with the Central Powers after the First World War. Treaty of Versailles with Germany on 28 June 1919. Treaty of St. Germain with Australia on 10 September 1919. Treaty of Neuilly with Bulgaria on 27 November 1919. Treaty of Trianon with Hungary on 4 June 1920. Treaty of Sevres with Turkey in August 1920. C. Results of the peace treaty at Versailles. Germany was blamed for the outbreak of the war. Germany lost all her colonial possessions, which were now put under the supervision of the League of Nations. Germany was forced to pay war preparations to the tune of 6.5 billion sterling pounds to the Allies. Germany was totally disarmed and only allowed to retain a force of 100,000 men. Her air force was also banned. Austria was allowed to remain independent in spite of a large German population. Poland got back a third of her territory, which had been acquired by Germany, and Davenport, which was contested by both Poland and Germany, was declared a free city. The Saar region, which was formerly part of Germany, was to be administered by the League of Nations for 15 years, after which the population was to vote whether to belong to Germany or France. The Alsace and Lorraine provinces were to be surrendered to France. The Rhineland was to be demilitarized. Some new states emerged in Europe: Herzegovina, Mercia, Bosnia became part of Yugoslavia. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, which belonged to Russia, became independent. Finland also acquired total independence from Russia. For results of the First World War, more than 13 million people died. Many people contracted diseases due to the war. Soldiers were infected with sexually transmitted diseases, influenza, and pneumonia. There was mass starvation as most of the productive people were sent to fight while farms and the granaries were destroyed. Cities, villages, factories, railways, bridges, and property of immense value were destroyed. Huge sums of money were spent on the acquisition of guns, ammunition, tanks, and aircraft, weakening the economic domination of Europe over the rest of the world. After the war, the USA emerged as the leading power in the world. The war led to the alternation of the boundaries in Europe. The size of Turkey reduced as new countries like Poland, Slovakia, and Yugoslavia emerged. Many Asians and Africans who participated in the war returned home with revolutionary ideas, especially on the need for self-determination. Many people became refugees after being displaced. The war led to the establishment of the League of Nations to ensure peace. The art of surgery advanced due to the need of taking care of those injured at the war front. Use of motor vehicles and aircraft for non-military use became widespread. More women began to work in the factories due to the serious shortage of manpower.